this is Esther. I'm back again after some time. So here I am today with one of my friend all the way from Mumbai. Elvis, look here. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, he's Elvis all the way from Mumbai, and he also runs a YouTube channel called Food Burrow. So please don't forget to subscribe to his channel. He's from Mumbai, and his wife is from Northeast, that is from Shillong. So they cook both Goan food and then Northeast food. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos.
So today he's going to prepare for us garlic chicken.
Yes, so this is garlic chicken and very easy way. Okay, nothing much, lot to do with sauces. Very little preparation time, but then the food always comes out good. So I would suggest that if you want to try it out, that's it.
I told him to bring ingredients from Mumbai, so because I have tasted earlier his dish and then I really like the way he cooks, so I told him to bring some ingredients. So all the ingredients are bought by him from Mumbai, so let's check it out.
Yeah, you get them over here as well. It's just like tomato ketchup, soy sauce, chili sauce, a little bit
But
of
I
vinegar.
don't have because I'm more fond of Naga food, so.
Okay.
So
let's get cooking then.
Yeah, chalo, let's go.
So first we take oil, or if you want the best results, you can always add ghee for the extra flavor. Butter also would do. Oil a bit. Okay, I'm not going to be measuring any of these things. Like this is totally owned by feeling. So let the oil heat up.
I think I'll turn this way so that the oil gets sweet first.
So we now add in the onions. So I've taken a small onion. Want to let it sweat a bit.
So whenever I cook, I let the mustard oil heat, and after that only I put the ingredients. But I noticed that you are putting the ingredients, the onion, before the oil got heated. So is there any special?
No, there is nothing special. The wok was hot.
Oh, okay.
So the oil heated up. I can still feel the pungent smell of the mustard oil. Although I would not recommend mustard oil for this, but this is what we have right now.
Okay.
You can use refined oil or clarified butter, or you can call it desi ghee. So next we add in the minced garlic. So this is quite a bit, I know. Like maybe around 200 grams of this. So the chicken that we have got is around 1.5 kilo of meat. So quite a bit of garlic will be used for this. So now we'll add in tomato ketchup. Like a big packet out here that you see.
Okay.
Quite a bit of tomato ketchup. So this is the base for a garlic sauce.
I love tomato ketchup, so I'm definitely going to love this.
Now we'll add a bit of chili sauce as well.
Okay.
For a little bit of pungent flavor. Now give it all a nice mix.
I'm loving the color of this.
Esther, you need to see the color a little bit more after we add soy sauce.
Oh.
So on the next step, we add a little bit of soy sauce. Like maybe a cap or two of soy sauce. Now, like every chicken dish, like or any meat that you cook, you always need some acid with it. Like either lemon juice or vinegar. So over here, I'm using vinegar. Just maybe like 2 to 3, cap full of vinegar. This is the base of the sauce. Now we'll add a bit of ginger garlic paste as well. So I kept the ginger garlic paste a little bit at the later end because the ginger and the garlic, they burn easily, and the flavor the later you put in, the better the flavor of the ginger and garlic. So that much paste of ginger garlic. Like some people would like to prefer it, they add ginger garlic in the start. I add it towards the end.
I usually add in the start.
Yeah, I know. Keeping it towards the end just adds a little bit kick of that flavor.
So I'm definitely going to follow this recipe. I'm really loving it.
So our sauce is ready now. Now we just need to add the chicken and cook it.
Okay. So are you going to add any water here or?
No, there will be no water. Like the meat normally leaves water itself. So this is going to be a thick sauce, kind of like a coating. So
finally our chicken.
So we have not marinated the chicken. You can always marinate it. You can marinate it with again salt, pepper, little bit of red chili powder, and if you want a little bit of lime juice or vinegar. I have not marinated it.
Okay. Actually, we were in hurry because I just came back from office, and they also came from Shillong today only. That is after 7. I think you reached around 7.
Correct.
So we were in a hurry, so we don't have time to marinate the chicken, but I'm sure it's going to be very tasty because by looking at the ingredients and I can smell the aroma. The aroma is just awesome. I'm definitely going to love it.
So to make up for the marination which was not done, so what we'll do is we'll cook the chicken on a low flame.
Oh, okay. So that the chicken gets cooked.
Cooked nicely, at the same time absorbs most of the flavor. I have not added more water to this as chicken will leave water, it will sweat and leave out quite a bit of water. So that also will be need to be dried out for this.
Okay, so after this we will keep it in a low flame and then we'll cover it.
Cook it for around 30-35 minutes.
Okay. So I believe this is done. Now we
just
will
cover it with the
cover
lid.
it with the lid. And then let it cook for another 30 minutes.
30-35 minutes.
30-35 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm also going to show you, I have also cooked some Naga food here. Oh, it fell down, the garlic. And this is squash pata. Definitely this is pork with the bamboo shoot. And we also have prepared some chutney. Let me show you. Itu asli maldo. This is Naga chives or just chives with good jolika. Raja Mirja lode banaise. Itu bhi tahan banise from Shillong. Itu ase aro Thai chicken banai ase.
In this video, as you can see, the meat has left quite a bit of water. So we now will, dry it up, make it to a spoon coating consistency.
Okay.
The sauce. Till then, you just keep it to cook more further. So you can cook the meat on a low flame. The meat becomes nice and tender. At the same time, it tastes also really nice. We'll allow it to cook. Let it, dry up a bit. Let it become more thick.
So we'll cover it with a lid again and then
Yes.
cook again.
So meat is now halfway cooked. We'll add a little bit of salt, like just to season it, because ideally the tomato ketchup and the ginger garlic paste already has salt. So just be a little cautious with the salt and give it a nice mix. Mix the chicken. You know the chicken died for you. You're eating somebody's dead body.
Oh, so are you going to make it dry or?
It's going to be dry, so we'll allow the water to first, evaporate.
Okay.
Like a lot of water that you see over here, that is from the chicken itself. The meat leaves a lot of bit of water.
It's more than 30 minutes.
Yeah, we'll cook it for more 30 minutes more.
Oh, okay. So it's going to take some time again.
Yes.
Okay, no
But
worries.
If you want the meat tender, the slower you cook it, the better it is. So as you can see, that our chicken is cooked. Okay, the sauce is nice and thick. Okay, so we can eat this now. Like, meat
I'm
is nice
loving
and
it.
soft
I'm
and
just loving the
tender.
color and yeah, the texture. It looks so nice. I'm just loving it. I'm definitely going to love this.
Yes, we shall enjoy
So
it together.
here we are done, and we'll turn off the flame now. Yeah.
Yes, please.
So that's it. That's our chicken garlic
chicken.
garlic chicken.
Yes.
Oh, okay.